Oh yes. Dude, that was insane. It is hot. Happy New Year's, guys. January 1st, and it's like 70 something degrees out. This is me and my friend Chris, who I'll be racing today with his GSXR 750 K5. Your rims are dirty, bro. Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, me and my buddy Chris are just taking some back roads. We're just going for a cruise. He doesn't want to race me because he doesn't want to have everybody see a 600 beat his 750. But we'll see. We may be able to entice him. I still think that that bike is definitely faster than this. You just need rider mod, that's all. No, honestly, that's a really nice bike. It's 2005 and it's very fast. I've ridden it myself. Both of these bikes are straight piped. His is straight piped on purpose. Mine is not straight piped on purpose. Oh my god, look at that bird. Little Porsche. Guys, one thing I love about this bike that the FC1 did not have is a steering dampener, or a steering damper, and it comes factory on this bike, and it makes a really big difference. Just in the little like imperfections on the road, you don't feel it as much in the handlebars. It corrects itself a lot faster. Do all that lane splitting garbage. Hell yeah. You had a little confidence in your brakes there. Okay, so you're just retarded. Got it. I've never been down here. We're disrupting the peace. He asked me to rev it. Where are you taking us, Chris? Wait, go to the water back there though, see if it's nice. Oh no, we're definitely not in the right spot, we're not. Oh, maybe. Is there a road that goes back? Nah. Dude, we can go on the sidewalk over to that, but no, let's not be total dickheads. Getting lost just helps you find new experiences. I love getting lost on my motorcycle. There's no better way to get lost than on a bike. As long as you have gas and internet connection. Wow, there's a lot of birds over here, dude. Brothers! Brothers! Ooh, it smells like barbecue down here, brother. Campfire. This is sick. I'm definitely coming here again. I'm going this way. I want to see it all. There's lots of brothers down here. Oh my god, they're driving on the... Can you do that? Is that allowed? Ooh, R8. Okay. There's a restaurant here? Oh, wow. Brother. It says no parking. I just created new neural pathways in my brain. Dude, right in front of the docks, dude. It's kind of sick. Right in front of the docks, dude. Dude, like right in front of the docks, brother. As long as nobody's going on, like, dropping their boat or anything. I just almost died. Like, how sick would this be? It's kind of messy over here. You have room next to me, yeah? Yeah, you do. You got that all day. You got that all day. Yeah. Whoops. Whoops. There we go. This is cool, dude. It's a cool little spot. I guess we probably should have turned the bikes this way. Alright guys, we're definitely in the way of lots of boat people, so we are going to get out of the way of these boat people. I'm gonna change my battery. Change it. Alright y'all, we just stopped at Panda to get some food. I didn't realize before, I thought my GoPro died. I just didn't start recording, so it shut off. And I was riding, so I didn't try to restart it or anything, because I'm an idiot. We rode for a little bit, nothing too crazy. And now I'm basically just heading home, going to meet up with the wife because I have leftovers and I'm not gonna go on the highway with my leftovers. And I hope these leftovers make it to where I gotta go though. They're not attached to anything. This is actually really interesting. I guess I could do this. Oh, perfect. I don't need to know how fast I'm going. Oh, I'm at neutral? Yeah. Suzuki. We're all Suzuki squids. See, she's got a little container to put her leftovers in. Look at her go. Hello, sir. Whoop. Stay. Guys, my wife and her mom stopped on the golf cart to get my Panda. That Accord was mobbing, bruh. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be doing a lot more riding with friends, probably going out to that road that I know you guys have seen in previous videos. It's in the middle of nowhere, it's secluded, it's quiet, it's a good place to have fun, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.